Hi, welcome to my channel. I am Abhishek. In today's video, we will be learning about how you can create a custom toast or you can call it as a snack bar. So this is my sample website. When you click on contact button, so this will ask your name and email. When you submit, this is where a custom toast or snack bar appears. So we are going to build this whole small pop-up, or you can call this toast or snack bar. So when you close this will disappear with an animation. So this is what we are going to build. We are going to build a custom toast from the scratch, and we are going to apply some transition effect. So let's get started. Hi, let's start with coding. So this is my sample website. When I click on contact button and fill this form. So after submitting this form, I need to display this snack bar, and I'm interested to display this snack bar at the bottom right. So from here we need to start. Right now when we click on this submit button, this form submit handler is working. So basically some part of the code is already there, so I need to start from here. So let's start building this toast first. So first we will go to the bottom of the page, and I will write div for it. So div class I will define as a custom toast class, and next div I will keep it div class custom toast content here, and I will use paragraph tag, and I will put my toast content. So right now toast is coming at the bottom of the page, which is quite nice. Now we need to style this. So style this from here. So what we can do, we can just copy this custom toast class and start styling this. So first I will keep as a position property, position as a fixed, and I will keep from bottom I will keep 0.2. Okay, and from right 0.5 rem. Yeah, so this is where toast is appearing. So I need to provide some background color and all. So and let me define the background color. I have already one background color. Yeah, which is coming correct. Okay, so next step I can define the width. Width I will keep as a 40%. Yeah, looks good. Or I can keep 35%. Yeah, this is okay. Next I will give border radius. I'll give 12 pixel. And let's give some padding. So I will select this, and I will add padding in the content. I will keep padding from top and bottom. I will keep 0.5 rem, and from left and right 1 rem, which is good actually. And I will keep color as a white. Right. So right now our toast is almost ready. So what we did so far is, first we went to the HTML page and we have added toast content, and toast content is this. Next we went for the styling, and the styling we have used the position as a fixed. Why position is a fixed is because I want to show this toast container out of the document flow. So when you apply position as a fixed property, this says let's take it out this whole container from the normal document flow, and it is come out from the viewport. Now we have given the styling as per the viewport. We said like 0.2 rem from the bottom, which is here, and 0.5 rem from the right, and we find some background color and width. So right now you see there is some space is coming at the bottom. So let me highlight. So if you see, there is, see, this is what the orange box is coming. Orange box is nothing but probably a margin is coming. So we need to remove that. So basically we have applied the paragraph tag, and paragraph tag by default have some margin. So let me remove this. So what I will do, I will keep this, I will grab this class content p, and I will keep margin bottom as 0. So you see, when we remove the margin, it is quite perfect, right? Maybe we can uh, maybe we can keep it 1 rem. Yeah, looks good. Now we need to add the cross button here. So for this, I will keep one more div, and I will add the X here, which will act as a cross button. So I will keep a class name toast, and I will keep it cross button. So let me grab this and apply the style sheet. So I will keep position as absolute, and I will keep from top 1 rem, from right 0.4 rem. So let's see how it works. It is going little down, so I will keep 0.2. Okay, and let's keep one this. Okay, nice. And I will give font size 1 and 2 rem. Okay, now let's keep cursor as a pointer, which is quite okay, right? So far our toast container is ready. So next step, we need to control this toast container using JavaScript, right? So I'll keep color as a black. Yeah, nice. So next step, we need to go for the it's controlled by a JavaScript. So I want to show this toast once we click on submit button. So probably what we can do is, we can copy this transform and keep it at y direction. I will keep it bottom. Yeah, right now it is on top, and let's apply some transition also, or I can apply transition little later. Now grab this custom toast and define here cons custom toast. I will select using document by its class name. So once we click on this, I can apply custom dot class list dot add, and I have open class. So what is open class is, open class I'm just giving display box, and I'm resetting the translate in y direction. So this will work in my case. So let's see in action. So when we click, so let's see, yeah, it is coming. Now next step, we need to hide this model box as well. Custom model, I will keep custom model dot class list dot remove open. Yeah, so let me add some content and hit the submit button. Yeah, model is going. So next step, I need to handle this cross button and apply some transition. So first I will apply the transition. So I will grab the transition from the previous custom model part, which I explained in the previous video. So let me add it here. Now let me copy this and select the toast cross button. Toast cross button. I will add a document dot query selector. I need to add the click listener. So what I will do, I will copy this and I will replace custom toast dot add. Yeah. So let me refresh and check. So when we click on contact button and when we fill this form, so let me add. Yeah, see, transition is coming. And when we cross it, oh, then I need to remove it, right? Okay. So when we fill this form, yeah. So this is what we have achieved. So what we have done so far, let me explain you one more time. First, we have created the toast part, and next we have added some style set, which is pretty straightforward. And next we have control this toast behavior using JavaScript. Inside the JavaScript, first we have selected the custom toast, and the custom toast, when we click on submit button, we want to show the toast. So I'm just adding the class list, and we are hiding the model. Next we have handled the toast button. When we click on toast button, this custom toast should be disappear. This is what this is what is happening. Yeah, thanks for watching. If you really like this content, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.